Quite a while ago, everyone in college was sick. Like everyone had the same type of wet cough, runny nose, stuffed up nose, and sore throat, and cough. Well, I didn't bring it to college, but I wish I did. And I was sick too, but I'm not sick anymore. It's called Chinese herbal medicine. Chances are if you're like Asian, you're Chinese. If you're not Asian, you've probably seen this sold in a Chinese grocery store. I'm talking about the Ninjum Pei Pa Kwa, 我的中文不太好, or locket syrup, an herbal medicine from Hong Kong developed according to Wikipedia from the Qing dynasty, and it's used to treat coughs and sore throats. But apparently it's also good for your lungs.
It's not like Mary Poppins at all.
Come on. Does it work? Yeah, it works. You probably can't. Oh, there's English.
Ew.
I actually like it. I think it tastes pretty good. It's like minty and sweet, and it really works. So if you're sick, you should definitely try it, and I hope you feel better. Bye!